Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nushi, and today I'm coming at you guys with a brand new video. You guys, this is going to be a try on haul. I'm super excited to bring this to you guys. This is just gonna be like a summer haul, like an overall summer haul. I'm gonna have some swimsuits in this one. I'm gonna have some outfits in this one. So it's gonna be a nice little mix. So stay tuned and keep watching. All right, so this first piece that I have for you guys, you might remember it. This is my favorite Fashion Nova dress. This is a game changer. This green one, I love it. I also have it in black, but you guys, this was a showstopper. So I had to double back and get it. I had it years ago on my viral video. It has 4 million views on on YouTube right now. And I love this dress so much, you guys. It's short, but it's not too short. So I am 5'10", and it goes past my booty. I have a big booty, and it goes past my booty. So my tall girlies, y'all can wear it. It's very, very comfortable, and it just really accentuates your curves. So if you have a small waist, this will definitely accentuate that. I absolutely love it, you guys. Again, I got it in black as well, so make sure you guys pick this up. Everything will be in the description box. This next outfit I have is this romper that I got from Fashion Nova. You guys, this is so cute. First of all, you guys know I'm in my linen era. And this is definitely some linen pants, but it comes with an attached top. So if you struggle to search for outfit ideas, this is like the perfect thing to wear. It's modest enough that, you know, all your goods are not out. It's also long, you guys. So for my tall girls, this is a tall girl friendly haul. It's super long, stylish, and it definitely accentuates my curves because like the breakup of the white, like the contrast with the white and the linen, I absolutely love this. I wore it all day. I wanted to sleep in it. It was so comfortable. The next thing I got is this jumpsuit that I got from Fashion Nova. You guys, this like gives the milkmaid dresses, but with the twist. So I didn't want to get the dresses because I don't know, I just didn't like the ones that I've seen so far, but I like the idea of it. I really like the style. When I saw this romper, I was like, give me 20. I love this romper, you guys. I've never seen anything like it. I got so many compliments. I took a really, really cute picture in this romper. You guys, you have to run and go get this before the summer is over. Your man is gonna love you in this. You know they like when we look like a lady. So this is definitely gonna give them that like sexy lady vibe. I feel like I look very matronly. But yeah, so cute. I love it, especially with my hairstyle. I feel like it definitely goes. I feel like I was just missing some pearls or something, you know. This next item is a bikini. This, I call it SpongeBob SquarePants bikini. I absolutely love this bikini. First of all, this color looks so good on my skin. Love it, hands down. This is like such a beautiful color. Also, I love that the top comes with the bikini, because if you don't want to just wear your bikini out, you can put on this top and you can wear some pants and you can go about your business. And then when you get to the pool, the party's ready. So I really, really like that. I also like that this top that came with the bikini was not like so uncomfortable. This was stretchy. It fit my arms, which my arms are like my problem area, and it fit it perfectly. So I was really happy with this. I feel like it fits so well. So yeah, I would definitely pick this up. The next item that I got is this bikini that I got from Fashion Nova, and it's a 3-piece set. You guys, I love this. It comes just like this, and it looks like an outfit like you'd wear for a dinner, for like a birthday dinner in Greece or something. So beautiful. Or like in Cabo. Oh, so beautiful. I love it. And I love that the bikini is still like a full-blown thong bikini, because it still gives you that sex appeal. I do wish that it had cups in the, I think it does have cups, but not thick enough to where I feel like it's not so revealing, if that makes sense. But I would still wear it. I would just wear it with like my man or something. But I absolutely love it. It's so sexy. I felt like I was like on a French vacation in this. I love it. This next item is this bikini that I got from Fashion Nova. So, so sexy. It's pink. It has like this purple accent writing on it. I absolutely love it. I actually have it right here because I'm about to go to the pool. And look at this. Look how pretty this is. This pattern is so pretty, and it's the fact that it's purple. Pink and purple are my favorite colors. So I feel like this just embodied what I'd want in a bikini. It looks so good on my skin, and I like the cut of it. So it curves to my curves. Definitely pick this up, you guys. Summer's not over. We need the bikinis coming. August is coming in hot. The next item is these pants and this top that I got from Fashion Nova. You guys, I have this top in black, so I had to run it back in this color, and I've been looking for a way to wear it. This is the perfect combo. If you guys are looking for a way to wear these pants or this top, put these together. I'll put them in the description. This was fire. Everybody loved it. I actually wore it to a day party. I got so many compliments. This is such a cute outfit. Like, I didn't even buy them together. I bought them very separate like a year ago versus now. So I got them very separate, and the pants are long, you guys. This is why I told you this is a tall girl friendly haul. The pants are super long. I think I'm gonna do a haul with all the pants that I've gotten over this summer from Fashion Nova, so you guys can see. Fashion Nova has really stepped it up with like the length of the pants, the 34, 35 pant inseams, to give us tall girls a chance. Like, before, I could never find linen pants that were gonna be long enough for these legs. Ever, especially because I have a high crotch. So I need even longer inseams. But these fit so well. Like, I have no complaints. Hands down, Fashion Nova, you did your big one this summer. I'm really proud of you guys. I hope you keep it coming for the winter. Anyways, that is all, folks. Thank you so much for watching. I've been struggling to record this video. I needed to get this out, and I'm so happy that I did. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave all your thoughts in the comment section and let me know what you guys think. Are you picking something up? Anyways, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nushi. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nushi.